Asia session. Screens glow soft, Tokyo awake. Coffee on the desk, charts don't shake. I wait my turn, I know the zones. Hands stay calm, he guides my goals. Patience in the dark, I don't chase the mood. I trust the plan and let it prove. If it's not my setup, I let it go. Slow money wins, that's all I know. Oh, highly favored, highly favored. God first, chart second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. Lessons in the process, highly favored. Asia Princess path, I read it slow. Futures breathe, then drift and flow. No rush, no fear, just clean routine. Zones get tagged and I stay unseen. If the candle lies, I don't lean in. If the prayer's peace, then I begin. One good entry can change the night. Faith over hype keeps the trade right. Highly favored, highly favored. God first, chart second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. Lessons in the process, highly favored. Let the noise fade out, let the weekends fold. I move with discipline, quiet and bold. If the setup comes, I'll be ready to go. Bless the wait and bless the flow. Highly favored, highly favored. God first, chart second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored.
Yeah, Brick, Savage, highly favored. One team, one vision, one legacy. Started with the grind, breaking every chain, leaving fear behind. Faith in every step, purpose in the pain. Building for tomorrow, nothing stays the same. Feel the movement, hear the sound. Generations turning around. Feel the movement, hear the sound. Yeah, Brick, Savage, highly favored. One team, one vision, one legacy. Hands up, lights low, trust glow, let's go. Hands up, lights low, trust glow, let's go. We don't chase luck, we follow favor. We don't chase luck, we follow favor. Brick and Savage on the rise, building futures, changing lives. Highly favored, hands to the sky. Highly favored, we will rise. Highly favored. Started with a dream, started with the grind. Breaking every chain, leaving fear behind. Faith in every step, purpose in the pain. Building for tomorrow, nothing stays the same. Feel the movement, hear the sound. Generations turning around. Feel the movement, hear the sound. Legacy is going down. We don't chase luck, we follow favor. We don't chase luck, we follow favor. Brick and Savage on the rise, building futures, changing lives. Highly favored, hands to the sky. Highly favored, we will rise. body, move it. We don't chase luck, we follow favor. Hiding favor. Hiding favor. Hiding favor. Breaking every curse. Breaking every curse. Building our future. Building our future. Favor. Bringing favors. Hiding favors. Hiding days raining. Age succession. Faith over fear. See you at the charts.
Oh, wait, I don't think I was being heard this whole time. Just FYI. Are you muted? Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. I think we were muted. Look at
All
that.
right, so I can hear you good.
Oh yeah, because you're in the directors area, but I just looked over and noticed that on YouTube. I thought we were muted, but that's fine. Are we muted, Savage? Yeah, we were muted, guys. I'm sorry.
You just
I
missed
just looked
everything.
over and you just missed everything. I hope you caught it as I whipped around. I hope you caught it. Now we can hear you. I'm sorry, Kelvin. Yeah, I'm sorry. I just looked over and noticed that we were on mute because earlier Savage and I were talking. But what I was saying is today we had a W recovery. If we go down to the 5 minute, we had the dump here that JD made like $15,000 on. And then we had this W, and the DLL account that you saw earlier was right here. When we had the break of my zone, I figured it was gonna continue to go down. Oh wait, I'm in. There we go. Look, this is gonna be a quick scalp. It already filled. Let's see if we can pump up. That was just a buy stop or a buy limit. I want to see if it holds and push right back up. Let me put a song here or something. I'm trying to do. Shout out to all the streamers who can do all of this.
Everybody buying highs.
And I said earlier it can reject here, but we'll see.
NQ breathing slow, yeah, setting up a plate. You can have the first move, I take the payday. They get caught chasing candles, I get paid waiting. Patience hit different when accounts stay.
Anything you're looking at, Savage?
Above, I know they
The
coming
same thing you
back.
are.
Seen this movie way too many times on the track. The market don't care what you think or believe. It'll humble every ego, hiding up your sleeve. So I wait on. Let the albums dance. One clean setup can change the circumstance. Let it flush, let it run. Make you chase, I'm the one. Make you talk, I mean.
This is just something that I wanted real quick because again, we're at the 30 minute, it's at the 9. And it can easily reject here, like I've been saying, because of the 9.
One headline and the whole chart flips. Everybody
But
screaming, bro, it's gonna
brought down the music a bit.
5 minutes later, watching stop.
I have a special guest.
Oh, let's go, Mr. Up Down.
Mr.
Let's
Up Down.
go.
Can you tell me which way it's gonna go?
Everybody locked in, waiting for the ball.
Up and down, see?
Up and down. All right, let's see if it goes all the way up.
That's how he got his name.
And I was just looking for this gap fill here. I was explaining earlier. We got the little gap right there. It almost filled it. Almost filled it. So let's see if we can get this nice little push up. This is what we want to see, a nice little push up right here. And it'll just give me 150 to start the night. Asia's been a little tricky today. Because I missed the zone by here. We was just getting on. I see this little push here. Let's go with the push. We'll just let it play out. Let me...
And I'm trying one of these new Top Step 25K static accounts that they're introducing on with their lab, and trying to see. It's got a $500 loss limit, maximum for a day, but the static remains. So
it doesn't matter if you run it up to 100K, it's gonna go. Wait, you know what? I don't even see my camera, guys. I'm jacking up today. So it doesn't matter if you run it up to 10K. It's just gonna stay at a static.
Yep.
Let's
So I'm
go.
gonna buy more, so I'm gonna hit break even just for fun.
Oh, let's go.
I made $13. Hey, give me
The gap filled right here, guys. The gap filled right here on this push. So I'm just gonna put it there just in case I secure 25 bucks. But I just want to see this nice little push all the way up to the zone. Man, I messed up this stream today by a lot. Because I was rushing home straight out of dinner. Oh wait, but I got a 425 zone here. I got a 425.75 zone. So I'm gonna bring down my take profit just a bit, and boom. That was it. There's the trade.
Good work.
So that gives me to start the night 15 minutes in, 14 minutes in with all of the hiccups, 130. So that's not too bad to start the night. And look, I adjusted because of what I saw, and that worked. Yeah, but see, we got a little delay in the stream. I gotta work on the delay, guys. When it's not a delay, it's us on OBS versus at the time it comes out. Look at the pump. It's gonna continue. I would have had my whole TP. So if anybody saw the same idea, if anybody seen anything like that, let me know what you did. Let me go to Savage. Your son was trying to give you money.
Yeah, he entered.
Yeah.
He smacked my hotkeys and he let him have it. So I took the $13, but it'd be up a couple $100.
Did anybody else catch anything like that? I'm afraid to ask JD because he's probably up like 1,300 or something. But look, my zone was better than my previous zone. I have multiple charts that I look at, and this is what it is.
Yeah, I'm looking here too. If you draw a trend line out from earlier today to the big hump that we had at what is it, about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock today, and bring it down, we're touching the base end of that trend. So let's see if it continues. If we bust above that, come back, I'll be looking for a retest on the trend and then take it up to I have a zone around the 29, 683, 25 area.
Is that the famous Tory trend lines?
The TTs.
Layback speed. Let me speed it up because I heard that if you speed up the stream, it'll catch up to the true live. I'm right with y'all. I'm looking at this in real time with you guys. And that's actually a better, speed. If you speed up the stream or hit live, latency goes down to where it needs to be. Look at the rejection here on my zone. Now we're retesting. But that was a beautiful rejection on the trend line.
Yeah. Tori's got it.
She's got it.
Yeah, between her and Ocala.
My God. We should be millionaires here shortly. JD, what did you do? I know you did something.
He full send.
We're also working on getting some accounts to give away, talking to different firms. Right now, we had the top one futures. I believe the sale ends today. Buy one, get one, $39. They do come with an activation fee, but they're buy one, get one. So that's the cheaper way for you to start getting into the space. And if you struggle in passing accounts, then those are the ones you want to buy, and you'll save yourself money down the road because you're only passing 1 in 5 or 1 in 10, whatever that is. Let's see what the market does. Gotta take my dog to the bed.
Hopefully all good stuff.
Yeah, she's been limping for it. Today would be a full 24 hours. I don't know if it's her patella or whatnot. She's been struggling to walk. Too bad for my baby. Oh, that rejection was clean.
Is that right where your zone is as well?
Yeah, like if you look at my chart here, this is where it rejected right at the trend line, which if I would have seen that sooner, right, I could have took that sale for 20, 25 points That's all we look for. Small moves. Make quick moves, quick money. Profit loss, Discord. Okay, let me go take a look at something, guys. Guys, if you're not part of the Discord, sign up to the Discord. I think it's in the description. Hold on. Yes, it is in the description. I'm gonna put it here in chat as well.
JD.
Y'all need to sign up. Bruh.
JD's playing the markets.
Where's my cash app? You know, there's a whole area in Discord that you can't see yet. JD, there's a whole nother area that you can't see until I get a cash app. So is that a trade day? End of day 50K he passed. So he just passed another account. That makes how many funded now, JD? 14, 15, 16 funded? This is the most funded I've seen them have.
Yeah, he's been rocking it.
Kelvin laughs. There's a whole nother area for you too, Kelvin. We're working on some things in the background. Well, I should say my assistant is. This AI is crazy. Savage. I'm working on building an assistant that I can walk in, like that Jarvis.
Yeah.
That we seen. I can walk into my computer, hit the keyboard, the space bar, it wakes up, and I tell it everything that I wanted to do for the day, and it opens up everything that I need. And does all of my work for me. I'm gonna test it on trading to see if I can tell it, put a buy order here, sell here. See what that looks like.
Wait till Optimus robots get out there.
Oh,
You'll be
bro.
able to say, send Optimus 1 out to meet this client to sell the house.
Oh my God. My wife will not let me have an Optimus. I've talked about it with her. She's like, I'm not looking forward to having a robot in our house.
That's got to be the Jetsons family. We got this.
So I'm looking at my other zones here.
Let's see.
Trying to see. We got opening orb of today. We have it. It says 491. So it would be. I'll do 490. That's where the opening orb was. See what you're looking at over there, because I always like to peep.
I'm trying to play with Top Step's opening range.
That's the one that I use on my other screen, and it's TSX orb.
There we go.
And it works great.
So I also checked this box here was my opening range. I was testing it out this morning. But what I have on my screen, so it's just not confusing to everyone, is, let me hide this opening range here, is I made a daily, yesterday's daily candle was this total box here. I also have on my, let's go to the daily, zoom in, where I get my zones, what I'm looking for. So I like this zone here, and then the lower zone with this wick that was down. So that's where you get my dotted lines. Becomes a 4-hour chart. It brings it in a lot more, so you can see that it was respected so many times. Where it comes down, respects. I mean, it's tapped, so it's a good high volume zone to be in. So I'm just looking for this daily candle either get swept down and then look for a pull side up, or take the top side and come down. It's the ultimate.
Kind of upset I took pennies on that move, you know. I could have had $300-400 on that move. That was just on 2 micros. Look at this push. Look at this push. What time is it? Should I make myself a coffee? Look at this push. So do I take the 80s or do I wait for the 90s? Let's see. I'll tell you what I am gonna do. Savage is gonna run the stream. I'm gonna go get a coffee.
Here you go.
Go get a coffee.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna be shooting for this retest of this trend line here. Look for retest and bounce. Take it long. Probably right in this zone here. There's a lot of volume here. I'd like to see it come back to this area. Put a buy limit in right about here. And sell stop. So what's everyone else looking at today? Anything good? Is there anything you guys want to chat about? Market, soccer, baseball? Does Brick have his lo-fi music on? Because I can't hear that. Oh yeah. You got Brick's lo-fi music playing in the background. I can't hear that because the way we're set up, but did have fun today at my normal job. What I do for professional work is I joke and say I break into houses for a living, but I do foreclosed properties, and one of them that I have is a $2.5 million home, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So I go down there to kind of dream build for the day, and did some work, but it was a lot of fun. I got to take my kids through it, expand their dream a little bit. So. And Brick's back with his double espresso cappuccino with a little bit of foam on top of the heart.
Yeah, that's the crema. Bro, I got one of those Breville's espresso machines. My God.
Foo-foo.
So good.
Should have took that 80 short. It's not there yet. I still might. Let's try it for fun. So let's do sell 3. All right, so I want to box this thing in. I have a buy limit in Brick down here. What I was talking about, there's a range of volume in this general thing. Move my stop down a little bit farther. But there's a range of volume in here, so I'm looking for an early entry to retest this trend.
What's your entry point there?
I got 29 435.
Okay.
I might put it down to 420s. Let's do that.
I like that you put 435. I'm gonna show you why. Because if you look at my zone,
Oh yeah,
which is
here we
hitting
go.
right there,
Yep.
that I've got a 437 zone right there, and it just
Four-
hit.
Instantly 60 ticks up.
Oh man, and I was switching screens here. Now I get what streamers say about switching screens and doing this and doing that and doing. Yeah, you miss some trades doing this. Well, let's see that play out. Oh, that is so good. So good. That's a beautiful trade right there.
I could see this thing even coming down to the 420 area, but catching all this volume that's in here.
Yeah, the 420. You also got the 9 sitting at 415 right now. But it's holding the zone. I think you're good.
But yeah, while you jumped off screen, I was talking about the house that I got to go check out today. It's one of my properties. It's a $2.5 million home. I was able to take my kids down, and while I was working, I gave them a little tour of the house, expand their vision, and just, show what this house has. A massive kitchen. It has a butler's pantry, and then it has which inside the butler's pantry, there's a double stack oven, sink, and massive cabinets.
Wow.
And then off of that, there's a secondary pantry that, why not? So
what do you mean? You don't got a pantry closet to your pantry closet?
Nah. Nah, dog. But yeah, 6 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, 5,000 square feet, 3-car garage. It has a dual car garage, and then it has a single car garage. It spins off to the secondary attachment.
Jeez.
But it's a lot of fun.
Well, walk out there, claim it that it's yours, make these trades, and get it done.
Yeah, I was just gonna go out there and squat, and claim it's mine.
That's it. That's it.
Buy it back from me. Come on, push.
Guys, those that are on here, one of the hardest things to do is trying to get a stream built out and sent out. Send it to your family, your friends. They don't even have to watch us. Tell them to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe to the channel and help us out. I'm gonna look for some news. No news coming out.
I'm gonna put an aggressive buy order in at 421, hoping it takes me. I have a stop at 411, so 60 ticks down with two contracts. So it's kind of a cheap entry for me.
A buy limit. Yeah, I was looking for that 490.
So I'm risking basically 120 bucks on this.
Did your second order get picked up? Yes, it did.
Yeah. Yep.
So your average is down low now. That's nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna close.
Let me look at. Let me look at something. So the 50% of the orb is 393 from this morning. Asia orb is 426, the top. So the orb from Asia, let me see if I can add it here, because this platform doesn't have it. Then I'll show it. Horizontal ray, 426.50.
And just stop down.
Did it stop you out?
Yeah, it's fine. It's actually $57 down.
266. This is actually a pretty big range on this orb here.
Yeah, I don't know if I could share this or not. Let me see.
Down to 266 even.
Yeah, so I got my trading view chart up here. This is my one I like for visuals. And you can see my New York orb entry. It entered short here. And my criteria for entering short is my EMAs have to be crossed down below. If it's flipped up, it'll give me a no signal, kind of like this, as far as saying don't take the short. It entered here. The first take profit is at the 50% of the deviation, which is that purple line. And then the second one is at the 100%. And then once this, if it just hits TP1, I go break even with this order here. So but my first two orders filled, and it didn't take it anymore throughout the day because the EMAs were all crossed up and it wasn't at the orb low. So I took one entry in today off the New York session.
Can I just tell you why I don't trade with stop loss?
Why is that? There it is.
This is why I don't do stop losses. And again, that's a hindrance that I have. It's something that I need to work on myself, because we should have a stop loss. We should mitigate our risk. But I'm a firm believer, if I believe in a trade, I'm going to take it no matter what. And it's either going to blow up my account or it's going to pay me. And for the most part, it pays me. There's very few far in between that it blows up, but you should have held that, man. Hold your conviction. Nah, I don't want to put any bad influence on you, but
I was looking at, and so this is where you go back and look at the orders where I was at. I was below this level here where all this volume was for quite a while. So I dropped my order down below, so it was at 411, and you see where it went. I didn't bring it down far enough.
yeah.
It just missed it by like 5 points. So my realistic stop loss should have went below this really heavy candle here, down at the 388. But that's the advantage of trading micros. You don't have to give yourself massive amounts of room, or you can give yourself a lot more room than you can with minis.
Look at the pump right now. Actually, I'm going to show this screen here. This is the orb, Asia orb from here to here. And look at that 15-minute zone with the 9. That's where Savage got waked out and then take off. Instant, 40 points, 45 points. Oh, isn't coffee supposed to wake you up? That thing was like, oh, that was nice and warm. Time to go to sleep. think that it's gonna pump up here to where I wanted my entry. So I'm gonna put a sell limit right at the orb, 491, 490.75. But if it breaks, this can instantly turn bullish on us, right? It can instantly turn bullish. We got a 510 zone, we got a 491 zone, and on the 5-minute, my entry should technically be up here. Actually, should be here. And I'm putting it there. Oh, did I just make a mistake? No, I figured because we haven't touched the 200 since, wow. Last time we touched the 200 was yesterday at 7 p.m.
And that's when we dumped it.
And that's when we dumped. So I needed to come back up and touch that 200. So I needed to come and touch the 200.
See, I'm like these 80s for the short here.
The Ocala 80s are printing, and if I would have, it never would have got me in yet. But this is my sell limit, 508.50. Oh, that almost would have wicked me in. Let me. We're gonna peek at somebody's screen. Uh-huh. How did I know?
I said I'm gonna try the 80s.
See, I wanted that push up to the 200. We have not touched the 200, guys.
And where do you have your 200 sitting at?
The 200 on the 5-minute is sitting at 510.64 right now. Oh, there it goes. Push, push. See, my entry would have got in my earlier entry, which is now it's at the orb. But I want to see the push up to 510 area. Here we go, pushing up. Oh, this thing is booling to the upside.
Yeah, it is.
Put a little lively music here for those people who don't fall asleep. Gotta work on my playlist.
Asia wakes up slow, I'm already here. Coffee on the desk, and the plan is clear. Tokyo on the glass, glow across the room. I don't chase the move, I let it come to me soon.
Here we go, it's about to
And
put
stay
me
steady,
in.
I stay sharp.
Show my chart real quick,
Quiet
here
in
we
the
go.
dark, before the spark, every candle
Pushing.
tells a story. Every pause has
It
a
is
name.
pushing.
I'm
This
not
thing
here
is
to
booling,
gamble.
not pushing.
I'm here to
Booling
learn
to the
this
upside.
game. Hold it,
Booming.
wait for the line.
Can I get a definition for that, please, sir?
Step on time. No rush.
Oh no!
No need to fight.
Let me see what chat said. What is booling? Wait.
Wait for the setup.
Tickle. All right, we in.
I trust the
We are in.
I trust the timing. Quiet and ready. Quiet and ready.
Now I'm gonna play this song. Bro, let me look at this 30-minute. Let me look at the
Everybody
30.
buying highs, I could feel the FOMO. I'm just sipping coffee, watching Tokyo glow.
We'll put another sell one in at 520.
You can have the first move, I take the payday. They get caught chasing candles, I get paid waiting. Patience hit different when accounts stay in. Liquidity above, I know they coming back. Seen this movie way too many times on the track. The market don't care what you think or believe. It'll humble every ego, hiding up your sleeve.
So right now we're playing with house money,
Let the
house
albums
profits.
dance. One clean setup can change the circumstance. Let it flush, let it run. They can chase, I'm the one. NQ talk, I ain't one.
The war must be over.
What I think, let it flush, let it sweep. Everybody else asleep. Tokyo calling.
Well, we know it's not going to sink anymore because
Mag 7 moving like they
already
know
out
the
of
script.
soccer, so
One headline and the whole chart flips. Everybody screaming, bro, it's gonna fly.
Look at NVIDIA real
5
quick.
minutes later, watching stops goodbye. I ain't married to a bias, I ain't got an ego. Green or red, I just follow where the feet go. Brick on the levels, savage on the call. Everybody locked in,
This
waiting
is
for the ball.
pushing. Like, what in the world is going on here?
No emotion, no guessing, just
I'm
execution.
risking all the profits, which would
Wait
be
for the sweet,
what I made
wait for
earlier.
the test.
It should
First
be
move
540.
lies, the second one's blessed. Wait for the flush,
I'll
wait
risk
for the clue. The market
the next
pays,
zone.
the patient few. The market don't pay the
So
fast.
this would be a 1-to-1 trade.
It pays the patient. The market don't reward opinions. It rewards execution.
Yeah. Let's see what
did you
happens.
just use a stop loss?
Yeah. See that? Way up there. Way up there. I'm doing a 1-to-1 risk. Pretty much a 1-to-1. 269 to make 272. I made 130 earlier, so risking 130. 139 bucks. See what this does. This is really bothering me because it should have had a rejection, being that it hasn't hit the 200 in so long. So we're just gonna hold it. Look at the different hours, the daily. There's nothing up there. Literally nothing up there. Somebody said we need a pullback. Yeah, we need a pullback.
How about it? Yeah, amen from the crowd.
That's it. Let's see what happens. I would like to see this dump. Wait, let's play JD's song. Go ahead. This is the song that it's waiting for.
I wait by the key levels, hands calm, eyes sharp. They chase the candle wick, I stay where the truth starts. Fake break then the snapback, I seen that movie play. Let the weekends panic, I'm built to let it fade. They run the highs for the crowd and sell into the euphoria. I don't chase the first move, I let the first move warn ya. Patience over pressure, that's how the real ones win. If it sweeps through the zone, I know that the trap is in. Take the stops, clear the zone, hold your breath, let it go. No FOMO, no rush now, wait for the real move, wait for the now. Flush the market, flush the market, flush the market, then we move. Take the stops, clear the zone, flush the market. Wait for the real move, wait for move. Flush the market, flush the market, flush the market, then we slide. High probability, that's the line. Wait for the real move, take it right. I don't blink at the sweep, I know what the sweep means. Liquidity on the hook, while they feed the weak dreams. One candle through the floor, then the whole chart shakes. That's not fear, that's fuel, that's the path to the break. I'm locked on discipline, same plan, same frame. Let them talk big wins, I'm just tracking the
Still in that trade though? Or did you get out?
I am.
Okay.
Nope, just one. No, I added 2 more at the 520s.
Okay. I should have did
So
that.
what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close 2 of them out right about the 500 level.
Wait for the real move, wait for the mic. Flush the market, flush the market, flush the market. Then we slide. High probability, that's the line. Wait for the real move, take it right. Patience is the edge, and the edge is mine. I let them overtrade,
This
I let
candle's
them cross the
important.
line. When the zone gets clean, then I step in
Yeah, it's a
steady.
new 5-minute candle
No
right
fear
here.
in the flush.
Started.
I'm already ready. Flush the market. Flush the market.
This thing went up
Flush the market.
120 points.
Clear the zone. Flush the market.
No pullback from here.
Now it's through. Flush the market.
Basically from my entry down below.
Yeah,
Flush the market.
yeah. I know, right? You got wicked out on that. Oh, man.
Wait for the real move. Wait for the real move.
4
Then we
points.
take it all the way.
You got wicked
Meanwhile-
out on that for nothing.
Meanwhile, I'm holding a stop loss way up here.
See what this does. This thing is just going.
Booling.
Booling.
Southern word of the day. Booling.
That's it. See if we can find a definition.
So this 5-minute candle, I want to see this pop up above the previous one a little bit, and then
Take it to them.
take it
Huh.
to the downside.
That sounds Jamaican. Take it to them. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I don't hear it, Savage.
I don't know if it's working. Can you hear it?
No.
Oh, hold on. That's me. No, not this one. Oh yeah, here we go.
How can I get this? Oh yeah, you got some echo coming in.
Yeah, I gotta close out. My gotta figure some things out for that.
So I think there's a way I can do this.
Hit me. JD, I think that's hit all your price targets.
Test something out here. What is that called?
More minutes until the new hour rolls over. I'm gonna give you guys 42 more seconds, and then we're gonna spin
Let's
the
see.
wheel.
Can you hear this?
I can't hear anything.
Let me see if it came across YouTube. Oh, yes, it did. Wait, let me mute Nightbot over here. Let
Oh,
me mute
there it
Nightbot.
is.
Put user in timeout. Yeah. That's loud. We're just waiting on this trade. Ah. This has to dump from here. Has to.
Yeah, 5-minute candle's closing in like 45 seconds. So I want to see what this does. It's looking good for a bearish candle if it doesn't close above the other one.
No more entries. Let's
Just
get
kind
all
of
the names
indecision.
on the wheel. We're gonna turn off the bot.
We'll see what it's going to do last few seconds here.
Look at this.
And new candle.
Oh man. There's no news. All right, hold on. UK Prime Minister something held a meeting in the World Cup team. Football shirts ahead of NATO. NASDAQ futures rise. Reversing earlier loss. Bro.
SK is screaming. What's SK screaming? Is he going kaboosh?
Is he screaming? What is he screaming about? Is he screaming the pump or the dump? What is he screaming?
He's probably saying, this doesn't make sense. We're in war. Why are we pumping?
JD says he stopped out. I'm still in the trade as well. What is it? Windows capture. I'm still in there. Let me remove this. What is he
JD, how many
screaming?
contracts were you in? Gold dropped 10 points. Kaboosh.
I was only in 15 minis.
And gold hit that 50% retrace some.
Waiting for this thing.
This market's moving so fast. I might put it on the 1 second chart to get a little more excitement.
Oh man, you made me move to the 1 minute. It's holding the 9. Yeah, look at the pump. Yeah.
Oh, the 1 second,
yep,
really
yep.
pumped.
Volume should come in 3 minutes. Yeah, that's the wrong side volume though right now. Gold dropped 10 points. Yeah, I don't look at gold. I'm still holding this trade, holding to my conviction.
It's holding at 9 on the 1 minute.
Yep, it's holding the 1 minute. Look at this, the 1 minute. It's just riding the 9 EMA. Just riding. but no pullback. Zero pullback. Let me look at gold. Yeah, gold would have been nice, but I don't trade gold.
Okay, new hourly candle coming up here. What's this last 1 hour candle look like?
Zero pullback. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes.
That's a really big hourly candle.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, new hourly candle. Let's get a push backwards.
See, actually, I kind of still like my trade because it gives me right above the 50% level of the retracement. And look, I'm still only risking what I've earned from the earlier trade, which is fine.
I don't know what just happened, but my screen just went wild.
Oh,
My
Yeah.
screen just went wild.
yeah, I don't see your screen.
Do you see my
Oh,
trading
there it
view
is.
chart?
Now it's back.
That's my trading view chart, right?
Okay.
My top step one, flip to another screen on me.
Here you go. Yeah, the market is flipping over to straight buys, but I don't see. Massive headache. Let me look at something. Hopefully, yeah, that doesn't come up.
All right, come on. So the hourly took highs above the other one. So now let's see a pullback here. Come on.
Absolutely mind-boggling.
There we go. It's pushed.
The way,
That's
like,
a nice push
Trevor
down.
says a word when you're winning a trade. They might say, "Oh, good trade, good trade, good trade." But as soon as you get into a trade
That's
that's
my
in
limit
trade,
order out that I had sitting in.
everyone
Let me
is like,
see
"Oh
where
my
you're
God,
at.
why
Okay,
would
you're
you
back
do
out.
that?
Yeah, your screen is
Oh my God.
back.
Oh my God,
No.
you're so dumb. Oh my God.
I don't know what just
Why
happened
are
here.
you short? Did you
They
not
just
see
add
the
in random
movie?
orders in here.
Oh my God.
Okay.
What's your overall
Yeah.
entry?
29,508.
Oh, interesting. That's where I'm at. 29,508.50.
Yeah, I'm at 508 flat. And then I was looking at the hourly chart for a little bit a longer time frame. I'm going to close two of them out, just kind of almost break even. But I'm liking this pullback to this top of this wick here. So 29,444. 200 ticks down. But I need to reduce some of my risk on this. But
And I took this trade based on this 200 that has not touched in the 5 minute. And as you can see, the 200 holds, right? It has some validity to it. So I was expecting, since it didn't touch since yesterday at 7 p.m., I was expecting a nice flush.
Oh, there's volume pumping in here.
No matter what, I still like this trade. It is a trade that I would take over and over and over again. And here we go. Here we go.
My gold
Look
is
at the nice little pullback. Look at the pullback, guys. Look, look, look. Right back to my entry. Right back to my entry. Kaboost. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Meanwhile, I'm sitting in my trade, not taking anything. All right.
Let's see. You should. Yeah, you're also in the green.
Yeah.
Listen, normally after that long of a hold, I would say, you know what, I'm done, because now I want to see how it reacts on the retouch of the 200. Like, if it holds here, it'll go way back up. But we're gonna expect this thing to come down to my zone.
Wait, you're not mad?
Look, for the hold. This is for the hold. That's for the hold. A little clap for the hold.
I closed
There
two
we
of
go.
mine out.
There we
and then I have
go.
one remaining. Not as brave as you.
Here we
My
go.
average entry is 29,523 now.
See what you got. Oh, that's nice. That is nice because you're way up there. Look at this flush. Let's see what happens.
For the 1 minute time frame, I like it down to this 29,479, which is this peak here.
Let me show you a screen. I'm watching the 9 here on the 5 minute.
Actually, it's 29,480 for the bounce. So what I was looking at here is this peak here where the volume comes up and it rejected, and then we had a hard push through it. So I like that for a possible bounce. But if you're looking at the hourly time frame, a lot of, I would look even lower down here, this 29,438. But you could have some.
This is
until
what's
then.
worrying me right here. This little rejection here. This little rejection here. I should have moved to break even. I just thought about going down into break even, just because I held that in the negative too long and it's rejecting the 9 with strong momentum. We got a minute left on this candle. I should have broke even on that just because of this rejection. I don't like the way this is rejecting right there. This rejection here.
I had my stop 17 ticks above my entry at 523.50. Shooting for 174 ticks. It's 29,480.
I'm I'm gonna add my stop down to 529 even above this current 5-minute candle, which is right here. Rejection made me hit DLL 5 times. What? So you were long.
JD. He probably did what I do. Short, go long at the top and short the bottom.
Yeah, look. See?
Yep. And I'm like,
That rejection right there at the 9.
yeah.
Look at that.
All right, I just got stopped out.
Gone. All right, I got stopped out. I'm still up $42.
I'm
You
down
got stopped
23.
out. Yep. Right there was, I knew that 9. That rejection right there, I knew the 9, that was strong. That was a strong, strong rejection right there. .40 rejection. I still want the shorts. Still liking the shorts. Look at the 15-minute down to the orb and then my proprietary. But see, that was risk management. It came and gave us the move. And still up $42. Rather be little green than ton of red. Somebody's mad at NQ. Tell me how you really feel. Oil shocks and alter inflation expectations. I normally play that, it's so much different, but I was messing with an emoji, but it's fine. Let's see. I don't know who is this.
JD, did you get stopped out again?
Let me ask something. I was pushing. Who's the
Yeah, this is
person?
wild here.
This is where I'm going to have a conversation with somebody on the YouTube. Sorry, I was answering. Is it the Ocala or I want to holler? Now, here's the thing. JD has the tendency of trading very heavy. When it goes well, right? It's great. What I teach people is when it goes great, I'm glad that you're going heavy. But we have to remember the flip side of that. The flip side of that is when it goes bad, it's gonna go real bad real quick. You see how we was able to manage our trades, and I'm only down, I'm up $42. Savage, I think, is down 20 something bucks. And we held through all of that. Risk management is what's gonna get you to the long run of payouts. I Don't look for the big home runs. There was a streamer on today, this morning, who was up, I don't know, $20,000. Let it come back like 5,000, 8,000. He was all over. I don't know what he closed for. But he has an account that can sustain that, right? But imagine it going the opposite way. And even here, we managed this properly. We knew I should have been in this long because I even said it, like, I don't like the way it's rejecting the 9. And I could have made back the little $90 that I lost. It was only a $90 loss because I was risking properly. 2 micros. Savage went in, he averaged in, took some out, and he bought himself some room and is only down $20.
Yeah, and if I would have continued with that, I would have had a larger stop loss here and a couple hundred points. But that's what it is. And it did exactly what I wanted to. It broke the trend, came back, retested. I just didn't give myself enough room, and it went up.
Oh yeah, you had a beast trade. You had literally a savage trade, no pun intended. There goes the rejection. Waiting now. I'm waiting for a nice clean break under.
Yeah, there's a lot of chop in here, this zone. Let's see here.
I normally don't trade the 1 minute, but just to see what it's doing. Let me go into this.
Yeah, I'm
chart.
just sitting on the 5 looking over here and seeing what we have.
I like this for the flush. I really like this for the flush. Like this for the flush. I really like this for the flush. 2 sessions. Should go to 513. We wait.
I took a 5-minute wick test. I'm only looking for like a couple points.
Degen mode activated.
Nah, it's not necessarily degen. I do need to bring my stop down a little bit. Let's see.
Still liking these shorts.
So what I was looking at here is this 5-minute wick test. Test it, give it a couple points, and then have it come back up.
You run to the. I need to put. You do a.
So I'm just looking for 10 points here. I didn't hit break even quick enough. It gave me 5 and I didn't get in quick enough.
You should have a little move up here. Gonna test the 9 again at 514. Waiting to see what the market gives me before I take another trade.
Gonna get kabooshed.
It's kabooshing.
All right, stopped out.
I knew that I liked the shorts there. I said to like 513, and that's where it came down to. This thing fell out. The shorts are looking really, really enticing right now. Show right here.
So you have a 200. This is an MA. Top Step doesn't define if it's the EMA or the SMA. But I have a 200 sitting right here at 29,504.
That's mine too.
Okay, so you use the EMA?
I just use moving average. This one adds it as a. This is just a regular MA. I don't have a smoother, SMA. I don't have it. Just have it as a normal MA. If it breaks under the 500, if we break under this white line and retest it, I'm taking my short again. Showing that if it breaks here, I'll take this trade to the break, the retest, and then straight down, because I still have conviction that it should come down here. It needs to break this 200 moving average. See how now it's showing it as support? This is the rejection we should have had here on this side of the candle, or of the MA. I don't know why it didn't, but shall wait. I had double shot espresso. I think the dinner was better than the espresso.
Yeah, Calvin, that is the 200 MA. Man, this gets cluttered quick on the chart. This orb, we close this.
Yeah, I want to see this break.
Yeah, we hit the 100% of the orb, the Asia orb.
this now. I am really liking this. New 5-minute candle coming up. All right, Savage is in the trade. Let me run to the restroom real quick.
I'm running a little heavier than I normally do. Set my stop up. Hit 200. Yeah, I keep getting wicked out and picking the wrong spots. So JD, this is what I'm talking about. I sell the bottoms and buy the tops. And then it's been the last couple of days.
You in a short?
Yeah. Is there? I'm gonna see one more good push down.
I like the shorts under the 200.
Yeah, I just rejected it. Those on the 5-minute.
Yep. That's normally what I use, right? Even during the day sessions. That's what I would use. That's what I use for the stocks. Bro, did SpaceX go into... Let me see something.
All right, let's see it push down. Come on.
That's the push down. That now I'm liking the shorts. That's a beautiful push.
There we go. Close out.
That's a beautiful push. That's the push I was looking for. Now I wanted to close under here and then retest the 502 area. But by that time, Savage is done with his trade.
I'm gonna try to hold for a runner. Yeah, 3. All right, I got one contract holding up there.
That's beautiful. This is Savage right now.
That's why they want you to concentrate. Truth.
He can't hear it until he hears
Shadows.
it on the
That are
YouTube,
good
but
and
that is it.
Oh, I gotta turn on YouTube. Hold on.
I had to give it to you again. Sounds like.
Oh, Mike's about 45-second delay, so I'll be all right.
All right. This is where I'm waiting for my trade. Oh wait, somewhere else in a trade.
Yippee!
That's like
so cool.
the Joe Mama wee.
Yeah.
He is celebrating right now. That's a good push down. I need this to close here. So since he's in a trade, this is what I'm looking for. The retest. Give me the retest. Sell to. Guys, I said the retest of the 500. Put me in. Push. Give me one little pop and put me in. All right, now we're in. That's the retest. And that's where I want to see it go. We got a lot of fluctuation all of a sudden on these candles.
So let's see a hard dump candle. Come on.
Yeah. Yeah, right there. That was the retest. That's the retest. Beautiful push. Buy limit 1 down here. I'll take my first buy limit at these candles right here.
What time frame you on that one?
This is on the 5 minute.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking at as well.
Oh, tickle. There goes the one.
Should got it.
And now set the stop loss right under it. It shouldn't come back up and retest that zone anymore. Say shouldn't, but here it goes to prove me wrong. So we made up half of the loss that we lost on the previous trade there, and that's it. That was a quick scalp just to make up some of my loss, but I don't see it coming back and breaking that. This was from, I don't even know where I got that zone from, to be honest. Oh, that's the orb. That's the opening orb from today. And look, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Savage is still in. He had a higher entry. There it goes. There's the push down.
Yeah, I'm looking for the profit right around this 50% of that orb for a retest, which might be just a little too low. There's a couple bodies here on the 5 minute candles, but I'm looking for about $80. Is it $86?
That's a beautiful push down. See, it came back up to wick me. If I didn't have a stop loss, that's why I hate stop losses. Proves me time and time again not to have a stop loss. It's going all the way down to 437, guys. 437. Savage. 437. 437. Look at that push. Look at that push. Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Kaboosh.
Bro, that's a trade. I hate stop losses. Come on, all the way down to 437. All the way down to 437. Go. 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 Go.
I'm gonna take my $80 and close at 113 up.
Let's go.
I was looking through some stats. I was even my son, who's young, was talking to him earlier today about some of these guys that, like you were talking about, the $20,000 days, and yeah, you can have some big wins, but if you're constantly doing that, you're having some big willing to risk big swing days too, where, you know, if you made $250 a day, you know, you can be clearing 10K a month.
Yep.
So, I mean, I don't know what you make at your job, but I drove around multiple hours today just to do some basic things to make that, where you can sit in front of your computer, take proper risk management, make $250, you know, sit in front of your computer for a couple hours and make a pretty sizable living on that. So
Absolutely.
that's one thing that I've really been trying to hone myself in on, is not trying to hit the monster trades, look for, you know, a couple hundred points here and there with micros, and that you can withstand the pullback. So if I had that with minis, I would have been stopped out and been done. But looks good.
Yeah.
And it came right down and rejected right off that 50% level of that order.
That was great. That was a great trade. And I say it, right? $200 to $300 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. You risk sync that across multiple accounts, not copy trading. I like to rotate accounts. I don't really copy trade. I rotate accounts because if one trade goes bad, as I showed earlier, I had one account that hit DLL today, but I was able to pass the other one and my fundeds made money. So that's the key. Here we go. The push. If anybody's still in this, 437 coming in hot. I got wicked out.
Oh, I like
this
that.
contract.
I like that 437. It's right off that wick here.
Yeah, and that's my zone. It's that 437. Push. I may or may not be in the trade.
And that's that hourly wick that I was also talking about earlier. So yeah, that's size solid.
Savage. I gave you the zone. But you took your trade. That's good. You took your trade, and there it is. But if anybody had the same conviction, you got 10 more points, and that should be your TP. But we also got my proprietary here. This is this is my proprietary line here. It's coming across it now, which would be here. That's my proprietary line. Should have the push down. Just lets you know, right, that all of this here was the market makers manipulating, because everybody and their mother was looking at this here, this 200 rejection. And actually, remember where I had my original stop loss up here? My original trade would have played out to the T, and I just didn't play that very well, but you live and you learn. But I had to stop here to a TP down here, and I would have never got hit. And there is the 437 hit.
Yep.
There it is.
And jump through.
There it is. So that's your TP from the 500s that we called with the retest. I was in at 490 to 437, 60 points. That will give you a 2 to 3, 4, 500 a day. There's the dump. Wow. Look at this melt, bro. Right to VWAP. Right to VWAP.
And it's also on that trend line too.
Let me look at yours. Oh, there it is.
So here's that 437, which is the hourly candle that was looking at earlier. So the hourly wick, that 437 right there. So you come back down to the 1 minute, and you can see where that plays off of, hit, rejected, broke through, retest, and shot. And now we're on that trend line. And there's your bounce. Zone to zone.
Zone to zone. They got that bounce off of VWAP. And what's there? Opening range orb right there with the VWAP. That was target 437. Came down to VWAP, opening range orb, and then the massive push up.
And goodbye.
So if you would have been there, that was another 40 points, 50 points. That's the way you play the markets right there. My original idea played out.
Whee!
My God. Let me see.
Now with these static accounts, now I have $600 to play with.
Oh, let's go. So it stays there.
Yep, doesn't move. So my plan with this is I'm going to treat this like a live account. That if you're trading on AMP or anything like that, they only allow 1 micro per $100 of capital you have. So starting this account, I had $500 a room, so I could use 5 micros. Right now I have $600 a room, so now it would be a max allocation of 6. But it moves so quick with the volatility of the market. I may just be sticking with 3 currently. I did hit a 5-1 earlier and closed a couple out.
Yeah.
But that's the way I'm going to be trading this account until passing. I do have a couple other accounts that I haven't traded tonight, but I'm getting close to passing those ones as well. So
Let's go. And I'm going to tell you what, I didn't like Azer session, but now that I'm trading it and actively looking at it, I really, really enjoy this price movement without getting heart attacks during the day, right? The day movements kind of give you a heart attack. I like the way this moves. I'm closing green for the day, little less than I was. Closing green 125. Savage, you're up what?
113.66.
113.66. That wasn't bad. Wasn't bad. Thanks. I was wondering about that Top Step account with Top Step. There you go. If you guys got any questions, feel free to ask. We may not have all of the answers, but we pretty much try to educate ourselves on every single prop firm, on everything we do. Right?
Yeah, the Calvin, it's a 500-day, $500 daily loss limit. So I guess it does start with over again tomorrow with $500, but it's $1,000 max loss. So I just built upon my position for tomorrow. I could use this account now as like start scaling in throughout the day and building up more. So keep building a buffer through the day. Then tomorrow it resets to $500, I do believe. But I'll let you know tomorrow.
And NASDAQ right now, you know what? It could go, this is the Ocala right here. 480 would be here, which would be the 9. Then you can get another rejection. You could possibly see that happening. The 480 Ocala to the rejection. But I think that I would not be taking another trade.
Yeah, I'm done as well.
Yeah, it's 9:44. Try to come in, make some quick money within less than 2 hours. And that worked out. So tomorrow would be Savage pretty much running the show. I'll be on mobile. I got a big conference to go to, not trading related. Actually going to this conference called Mantle out in Orlando with Apostle Joshua Giles coming in. So we're going to be out there, my wife and I, but I'll be logging in remotely. Because I should be towards the tail end of that. We're going to be there early. We'll get Savage set up. Savage is going to murder the markets, and I'll be on mobile calling out anything I see. But besides that, I think we had an amazing night tonight. Let me get some music here. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I like our opening song.
That's
really
fire.
enjoy that song. Let's see.
Late night.
So any words you got, Savage?
Screens glow
Yeah,
soft,
just the market doesn't reward emotion, it rewards discipline. So win or lose today, learn from it, trust your process, and come back tomorrow ready to execute.
Patience in the dark, I don't chase the mood. I trust the plan and let it
Stay
prove.
highly favored, and we'll see you
Time I
tomorrow
said,
at
but
the
let
bell.
it go.
That's it.
Slow
Oh,
money
the market
wins,
just went
that's
up.
all I know. Oh,
Market just went up to the 480 level. I just want to see what it does here. I'm not gonna take it. Just gonna have a look here, see what it does.
I wait on purpose. How they favor, how they favor, how they favor. Blessings
Just
in the
gonna see what it
process, how
does
they
here.
favor.
Came up to 477 area.
Futures breathe, then drift and flow.
Just because I've been keeping my eyes on these zones, right? Because some people have been using them a lot. I'm just keeping my eye on them to see what they do. Not taking anything here.
One good entry can change the night.
But it looks like it wants to do something, man. We shall see.
How they favor. God first, charge second, how they favor.
Let that play out.
How they favor. I wait on purpose, how they favor. How they
And it
favor.
possibly can come down to 420.
Lessons in the
Right, 'cause
process,
that's
how they favor.
out of it. Here it is. That's 10 points.
Let the noise fade out, let the weekends fold. I move with discipline, quiet and bold. If the setup comes, I'll be
Yeah.
ready to go.
That
Bless
part.
the wait and bless the flow. Highly favored, highly
That
favored.
part. Let's see what it
God
does.
first, start second, highly favored.
Let me give it another 2 minutes.
Highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored.
It goes to push down.
Highly favored. Blessings in the process, highly favored.
It's gonna give me FOMO. Guys, have a wonderful night. I'm not gonna trade it. Have a wonderful night. It's been an amazing night. Savage, great trading today, my brother.
Yes, sir.
I think we're doing well. Remember, guys, like, share, subscribe, do all the things, right? Let's first challenge is to get this channel up to 100 subscribers. We're at 22 now. Let's see if we can get this channel to 100 subscribers, and we can't do it without your help. Pretty sure we'll start getting giveaways pretty soon, so we can start rewarding you guys for hanging in there with us, for sticking through it. And yeah, we'll see you guys here tomorrow, 8 p.m. We'll be ready. All right, guys. Peace.
Peace.